Let's start by creating a URLSearchParams object. This object allows us to easily construct query strings. Here, we're defining two parameters: search, which we've set to query, and page, which we've set to 2. These parameters are typically used in API calls to filter or paginate results. Next, we append these parameters to the base URL. We're using template literals here, which allow us to embed expressions like our params object directly into a string. The result is a complete URL that includes our query parameters ready to be used for a GET request. Now it's time to make the actual GET request. We're using the fetch function, which is a modern, promise-based API for making network requests. By passing our URL with params, we're sending a request to a cross-origin resource, which would require proper CORS handling on the server side. After fetching the URL, we receive a response object. We want to read the JSON data that's returned, so we call JSON on the response object, which also returns a promise. Once the JSON processing is complete, we receive the final data. Here, we're simply logging it to the console. This could be an array, object, or any JSON response the API returns. And finally, we have error handling. If any step of the request or processing fails, the catch block will log the error. This is crucial for debugging and ensuring your application can handle when things go wrong.